Good morning, cadets. The speaker is ready. Let us start the day with public speaking.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I am Cadet Rishikesh Patil and I am studying in 7C, roll number 5794. Today, I am going to present a small story in front of you all. The name of the story is The Brahmin and the Three Bandits. In a small village in India, there lived a Brahmin named Mitra. Once he went to a nearby the goat. The Brahmin decided to offer the goat as a sacrifice to the gods. The Brahmin started his journey homewards. He carried the goat on his shoulders. Three bandits saw him. They made a plan to get the goat from the Brahmin. The first bandit stood in the Brahmin's path. He asked him, "Oh Brahmin, why on earth are you carrying a profane dog on your shoulder?" The Brahmin got angry and said, "Can't you see? It's a goat and not a dog." And the first bandit played his part and replied, "You may have it any way you want." A little farther, a second bandit approached and said, "Oh Brahmin, shame on you. Why do you carry a dog?" The Brahmin looked at him angrily, and he too went away. However, this time the Brahmin had begun to doubt his own senses. After a while, the Brahmin met the third bandit, who said what the other two bandits had said already. The Brahmin threw the burden of the goat away and went ahead. The waiting bandits caught hold of the goat. Moral of the story is all the bookish knowledge in the world is useless without common sense. Thank you.
Very good message. Bookish knowledge is not enough. When you have to do practical things, that knowledge should be put into action. Otherwise, the bookish knowledge is useless. Thank you, Rishikesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
The summary of the poem, Trees. Children love to make tree houses and use them as swings. So, trees are the very important component of nature. Everybody has some or the other benefit from the tree. Children, they can make tree houses and use them as swings. Children who love to play hide and seek, they can hide behind the trees. Not children, even grown-ups have fun around the trees. They have their tea parties under the shade of the trees. The strong wind that blow through the trees provide relief and cool breeze to the passerby. So trees are very useful. During the extreme summers, trees provide shade. During winters, trees do not provide shade and allow the people to bath in the sun. I told you bask, B-A-S-K. To bask in the sun means to take vitamin D. I don't know whether you have gone to Goa, but at least you must have seen in the movies people basking on the beaches and taking vitamin D. People get to eat delicious fruits like apples and pears. Trees are useful even when they are chopped down. So trees are very useful. If you cut the trees also, they can be used as timber and firewood. We get timber which is used to make furniture. To some, trees are like beautiful pictures they would love to paint, and to others they are profitable as even their shattered leaves could be put to use. So they can become manure. If you put the leaves into the pit and then dry them and then plant, then it becomes manure. So Trees are very useful. Next, we'll be taking up the exercise of the poem. What are the games or human activities which use trees or in which tree also participates? Children use trees for their games. They make tree houses, play hide and seek behind the trees. Trees play an important role also. While adults are spending some time at leisure, leisure is free time. Under the shade of the trees, they have their tea parties and they also become befitting subject matter of painting. So, all can use the trees. They give only, they never expect anything from anybody. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? Contrast this line with the line immediately before it. Trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of trees to have fruit on it? Do you think this line is humorous? Is there it is funny lines? Do you think like that? Humorous. So during summers, the trees provide cool shade. In winter, we feel cold, so we don't require shade. Instead, we expose our bodies to the sun and bask in the sun. So people stand under the open sun to enjoy its warmth. One purpose of the tree is definitely to provide fruits like apples, pears, bananas, etc. This line is not humorous. It means that human beings are dependent on trees for their food. They rely on the trees for their food. Question number 3. So during COVID, we cannot read the first part of the story, the question. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for people to sit under. Now, there may be poet and poetesses in my class, girls and boys. So the forum is open for you. You can compose some lines on water, air, and we can have it as a part of the video in case some original compositions are there. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for people to sit under. Trees are for those leisurely hours to enjoy beauty of nature. Trees are for homemakers to beautify their house. Trees are for sick ones to derive the medicine from. Trees are for everyone because to every one person a tree has some gift to offer.
Ma'am, I have took this from Google today, ma'am, while doing PPT. Ma'am, video is
Very short type questions. Question number 1. Who have tea parties under the trees? So those who have money can have tea parties under the trees. Answer is the adults enjoy having tea parties under the shade of the trees. To what use a mother puts the trees? So according to the poem, mothers love to capture the beauty of the trees on their canvas. So the answer is very beautiful. Instead of saying that mothers enjoy painting, the answer has been framed very well. According to the poem, mothers love to capture the beauty of the trees on their canvas. Whenever beautiful sentences are there, You should try to use them in another way. The whole day we converse, use so that your English becomes excellent. Question number 3. What happens when the wind blows? When the winds blow through the trees, the leaves and branches move to and fro, giving cool breeze. Why do the fathers find trees useful? Fathers also find the trees very useful. During the fall, gathering the scattered leaves from the ground, a lot of profit could be reaped. These leaves could be used as fuel or turned into manure and fertilizers. The fathers find this profitable as this aids their business. Aids means help. So fathers are using the fallen leaves during autumn. Autumn is a season. When does autumn come? After winter. And after autumn, it is spring, that is Basant Ritu. So, autumn means the leaves fall and trees become bare, and then new leaves come during the springtime, that is Basant Ritu. So, when this fall is there at that time, father's business is doing extremely well because they can be used as manure and fertilizers, and they earn a lot of money and their business becomes flourishing. Why the chopped down trees are called timber? The trees are chopped down so that their wood could be put to use. The logs and the woods, timber is used for carpentry and to make furniture. Even when the tree is chopped down, it is useful and profitable. After reading the poem, evaluate the benefits of trees. The question is wrong. From the reading of the poem is named. After reading the poem, evaluate the benefits of trees. So, trees have various benefits. They cater to the needs of all forms of life. Birds derive food and shelter from the trees. So do some animals also. Birds use trees to build their nest. For human beings, trees are a major source of sustenance. They get fruits, shade, timber, medicine, various other elements from the trees. Children love to play around trees. For those who have leisurely time, that means free time, trees provide relief and also work as the subject can be painted also. For artists, the trees becomes a very good material for their canvas. Thank you, Supreet. Supreet is a really very prompt and prompt services. He corrected the question instantly. Good. Extract based question. Yeah, after reading the poem, he has made it like that. Yeah, extract based question. So now you should understand what is extract. Extract means directly the lines will be taken from the poem and the question will be based on that extract. Extract means the lines from the original lines from the poem, and from that particular lines the questions will be framed. So the extract is: trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing swings on. So the question asked to you is a personal question, Have you seen animals or birds making houses in trees? If you're not seen, you can see now because you are at home. A lot of time is there. Yes, I have seen many animals making the houses nest in trees. Female monkeys joyously, very happily sit on the branches, pluck peas, beans, etc., take out the nuts and feed their young ones. They feel a great content in doing so. Give two examples of trees that have a number of uses in everybody's life. So, the perfect example can be tulsi because we use tulsi for puja. If you eat tulsi in the early morning, then it is good. So, tulsi can be one of the plant which has number of uses in everybody's life. Now, here we have sandalwood. Sandalwood is sacred in rituals, that is puja and worship. It gives wood, timber, etc. It provides shade to human, animals, and most important, snakes. Oh my gosh. It gives fragrance. So, snake is so poisonous, but still it loves the sandalwood. Then the coconut of my state, that is Kerala. Coconuts give a very juicy, sweet fruit. It's coir. Yes, you must have seen doormats, which are made of coir, that is made from coconut. So, coconut coir is used to make ropes. We get timber from it. We get coconut fruit from it. With the coconut leaves, we huts are made. Because I belong to Kerala, I know the uses of the coconut. So the coconut thatched leaves, you have seen in movies and all, in the huts as a roof, it is used. So coconut has lot of benefits. Why do we make swings on trees? Obviously to swing, no? Why do we make swings? Swinging is an exercise that feels you. Again, it is wrong. Swinging is an exercise that makes you feel joyous and energetic. Swinging on the branches of a tree is more interesting than any other swings because it gives fresh air. So, swinging is a very beautiful exercise. It brings a lot of joy and energy. And swinging on the branch of the tree, we get fresh air also, and we feel as if we are touching the sky. I don't know whether you have experienced it, but it is a very joyous experience swinging on a tree.
Ma'am, is it now correct?
Thank you for the correction. Swinging is an exercise that makes you joyous and energetic. Swinging on the branches of a tree is more interesting than any other swings because it gives fresh air. Question number 4. How are trees useful for birds? So, first two can be right, but to hatch eggs, they should have a nest. We can have all of these also because obviously there will be a nest. So to sit on, to build nest on, to hatch eggs, all of this. Yeah, the option is all of this. What are the advantages of trees for children? They use trees for furniture, they get money from trees, they speak their sorrows to trees, they can play around trees and get fruits, clothes, books from the trees. CD, I think so, because sometimes when we become very angry and adults are scolding, we can go and speak to the tree. Father was telling me this, mother was telling me that. And these obviously perfect because they play around the trees. Fruits also they can enjoy. So when you are unhappy, you do funny actions. You start speaking to the wall, trees, and all. So you may speak to the trees. Next question. What should be done to save trees? Everyone should plant at least a tree every year. We should
Ma'am,
embrace,
recording is ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it stopped.
we should embrace
No,
trees when
no,
our
ma'am. Recording is
friends
there.
cut them. We should
Thing is,
plant some
ma'am.
bulbs under the trees. We should love trees. So yesterday I was talking about Uttarakhand, where people to save trees, they embraced trees. That means hugging the tree. Chipko movement, the famous Chipko movement of Uttarakhand, where people felt that cutting of trees should be stopped. And when the authorities did not listen, they had a movement called Chipko movement, and that is to embrace trees when someone is going to cut them. So the correct answer is everybody should plant at least one sapling. You cannot plant a tree, Suprit. We have to plant a sapling, SAPLING. We should plant a sapling every year. Yeah. How does a tree prove beneficial during summers? So the extract is trees are for wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shades in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter. So, how does a tree prove to be beneficial during summer? Obviously, it gives cool shade and one can escape the heat of the sun. Comment on the tone of the speaker when he says trees are for no shade in winter. Tone you understand, hopefully. Tone is the voice which, what you call, conveys whether the speaker is angry, happy, humorous. That is the meaning of the word tone. When somebody tells you lovingly, and you understand by the tone. When somebody says get out, you understand the speaker is angry. The tone of the voice of the speaker is angry. You're welcome. If I say my tone is sweet and welcoming you, so the tone of the speaker is humorous because he says, ha ha ha, how do you sit under a tree when you're feeling cold? That is the meaning. So it is a humorous, funny speaker. People enjoy the warmth of the sun and not sit under a tree during the winter. Use the word shade in a sentence of your own that you can do. Trees give shade. That is the simplest possible sentence. We were tired walking a long distance and we decided to relax under the shade of the sun. It's very humorous. Why it is humorous? Children, why it is humorous? You want to escape the sun and you are sitting in the shade of the sun. So brave. It should be the shade of the tree. Supreet, Maga, correct Madri. Yeah. So now the sentence has been corrected. We were tired walking a long distance, so we decided to relax under the shade of a tree. So weekend we are enjoying. That's why we are having fun today. Who reaps the benefits when the wind blows through the trees? Yeah, when the wind blows, all of them will. Yeah. Birds, passerbys, and adults, everybody will enjoy the cool breeze. Who hides behind the trees in hide and seek? Birds, children, passerby, all of this. So, children, but we can have fun saying that even the thieves can hide because the police is behind them. So, answer is children. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.